How to redeem Binance gift card. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to any of the web browser, or you can directly move into your application Binance. Enter your login credentials and then sign into your account. Once you have been signed in, it will land you on this interface. Click on your profile at the top left corner and then head over to gift card. It will redirect you to the page where you'll be able to redeem your gift card. All you have to do is enter the 16-digit redemption code. Once you have entered the code, click on redeem, and then your gift card will be redeemed successfully. Now whenever you are trying to buy or invest in something in Binance, you will be able to choose the gift card as the payment method and pay the amount from the balance of the gift card that you have. It works similar to your credit card or debit card. So that's it, and this was our tutorial today on how to redeem Binance gift card. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. If it does, please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any queries, you can drop it down in the comment section below. And thank you for watching it till the end.